Hi, I'm Jason. Thank you for purchasing the American Standard Spectra Versa diverter valve. Remember to take your time, take a break, or rewatch a step whenever you need to. If you need additional information, you can always refer to americanstandard.com or call our customer service line. Before we begin, I like to make sure I have everything that I will need, organized and within reach. I find this helps make the install as smooth as possible. At this point, you can remove all contents from the package and lay them on a flat surface nearby. You'll want to double check that all required pieces are included. Gather all the required tools and keep them in your work area. While not required, I like to keep some old towels or rags around. You might need them to catch some water or for a quick cleanup. First, remove the shower hose by unthreading it. Then slide the top and bottom escutcheons forward so that the set screws are accessible. Now unthread the set screws and pull the shower bar off the wall. Unthread the diverter nut and remove the old diverter valve. Thread the new diverter onto the shower bar. Then reverse the steps you just took to reinstall the shower bar onto the wall. Okay, so if everything is dry and working, your installation is complete. And remember, if you have any questions or you need additional information, you can always visit americanstandard.com or call our customer service line.